If you want to quickly apply normal margins in Microsoft Word, this tutorial is going to make it simple. Whether you're formatting an essay, a report, a letter, or any other document, using normal margins helps your page layout look clean, professional, and properly aligned. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few clicks. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy word tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells me to keep making simple step-by-step guides for you. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to adjust. Once your document is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen. You'll want to click on the Layout tab. This tab contains all the page setup tools, including margin options, orientation, size, and spacing. After clicking Layout, look for the Margins button. This is where Word lets you quickly choose a preset margin style without having to manually type in measurements. Click the Margins dropdown and you'll see several options appear. One of those options will be Normal. Select Normal from the list. In most versions of Microsoft Word, normal margins are set to 1 inch on the top, bottom, left, and right sides of the page. This is the standard margin setting used for many academic, professional, and general purpose documents because it gives you a balanced amount of white space around your content. Once you click Normal, Word will automatically apply those margins to your entire document. You should immediately see the layout update on the page. If your text shifts a little, that's completely normal because the document is reflowing to fit the new page boundaries. If you're preparing something like a homework assignment, a business document, or a printable handout, normal margins are usually the safest choice. They make your document easier to read and help ensure your content doesn't look too crowded or too spread out. And that's really all there is to it. You go to Layout, click Margins, and choose Normal. It's a fast, reliable way to reset your Word document back to the standard margin setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.